Hello everyone. Thank you very much for calling me. Many people are calling me and saying me that. So, how to use the Spider software? Actually, most of the people they are paying huge money to the Spider. Not huge money, but yes, it's a decent fees they are charging. But after that, what happens is they are not able to use this software properly. As in, they are not aware the inside of the spider rings and the spider softwares. So yes, the spider guys would help you with their logic, but at sometimes we have to develop our logic as well. So quickly I will explain you, and I'll try to get you much better quality use of this software. So let's start with this spider training. So hope you will enjoy this, and after that I will try to assist you. I'll just post my number and post my email ID, and strictly I am not SEBI registered person. I am not giving any hint, I am not giving any kind of research recommendation. This is my study and this is how it works, so I'm just trying to tell you that, nothing else. So let's see what happens in the spider train software. You have event tracker, you have tick queries, you have a chart available here, you have a watch list here, you have a market summary data here. Okay, so what happens is like, say suppose I am using this software from last 6 months. Initial 3 months was wasted just because of the research and development. After that, I've studied something and I got something very useful for the intraday trader. So let's see, not only the intraday traders, but yeah, a positional trader can also use that. But yes, you will definitely get some good profit from intraday only. So let's see. Here, we will go to the tick query first. NEC options tick query. I have used some logic, so I will not able to share that. Yes, but I will help you out. So here, ONGC 180 put writing has been happened at 9:23 am. It shows that it will go up. This is the Friday session. This is the Friday session. It's a price of 185 put writing has happened. So let's see, when someone is writing a put, so that means the stock price gonna up. So if you find here, all other banks, ICICI, DLF, Nifty put writing has happened at 11,300, 11,500, 10,250. So this is how it is happening. But probably a Nifty calls and put will not, sometimes will not work, but definitely are, if you are concentrating on the stock specific things, then definitely it will work. So ICICI Bank call option is getting right, means the price of ICICI Bank will go down. This is, I'm not sure, but yes, this may happen. So how we have to understand this thing. Say suppose ICICI call writing has happened here at 9:20 am. It means the price of ICICI Bank gonna come down. So how to get a surety? See here, in the event selector, Bank Nifty call options at day low means Bank Nifty at day low, ICICI Bank call option is getting right. And if you see, here ICICI Bank, can you see here now? It's a day low now. 9:20, 9:25 we have seen here. Now ICICI Bank here is at day low. So it's purely hinting us that ICICI Bank will not work today properly, right? So this is how it works. Let's see on other calls what we can see. Say LT call option at day low, you can just see the LT here. If in tick query, if it is at day low, if it's trading at day low, so you have to definitely think over that. You have to see here advances and declines. Today is Sunday, so I'm not able to show that, but definitely you can see advances and declines here. If advances are greater than declines, then definitely you will have to think about your longs position. And if declines are greater than advances, then you will have to think about short position. So here you can see the PC Jeweler at day high. PC Jeweler put option here, you can see 380, right? I can show you PC Jeweler 380 put writing is getting written, means, and PC Jeweler future is trading at 376, means PC Jeweler will touch 380. So this is the simple logic. Use your chart, use your logic, and definitely this is gonna be work for you. for a long time. I'm definitely sure about this, because what happens is when put is getting right, first thing that put will get right. After that, you will have to see whether it's a buying in cash, it's a buying in future. Definitely, you can go ahead, you can enter that position for intraday. So JSW Steel, you can see here JSW Steel February is at day high. So that put was getting written in the morning itself. So see here, I will definitely say you Cipla will work, but how to analyze this data? Okay, how to analyze this data? It's a very important point. What you have to do is here Bank Nifty now put option at day low. So if you have a see here SBI put option at day low, it's a put as written here, puts at day low means SBI will work here. So if you have shorted ICICI Bank, then you will have to book your profit and immediately exit 2 3 4 rupees whatever profit you have booked, you will have to exit. This is how you have to understand the market. If Bank Nifty is getting Bank Nifty puts are getting written, Bank Nifty is trading at day high, then if you have shorted the ICICI Bank position which is in the banks segment, then you will have to definitely come back to the position, or you will have to understand is ICICI Bank is working properly or not as per your technical analysis. So here DHFL calls are getting written, here. See here, if SBI is getting written, then definitely you can think about other banks as well. See here PNB, Union Bank, all banks are PSU banks are day high. See, so definitely you can think intraday Bank Nifty would definitely give a spike of 50 or 100 points immediately, because it's banks are getting day high, banks are trading at day high. Nifty Bank Nifty put return has happened, then you should think about your immediate, you can go ahead and buy 400 or 4000 lots of Bank Nifty call option. Definitely it will work. So Nifty, it's a confusion about the Nifty. See here, Nifty put and call both are getting written. Okay, so this is how it works. You can use this data, you can analyze your data, and you can definitely make great money from this software. As in, this software has developed